Open-Source IoT Platforms, Opportunities and Challenges. Open-source IoT platforms are software frameworks under open-source licenses. They let developers view, modify, and distribute the source code. Unlike proprietary platforms, they are community-driven and encourage collaboration, innovation, and cost savings. Opportunities of open-source IoT platforms. Cost-effectiveness. Open-source platforms are free. They make IoT solutions affordable for SMEs and startups. For organizations with tight budgets, this advantage is a game changer. Flexibility and customization. A key benefit of open-source platforms is the ability to customize the software. It can be tailored to specific needs. Businesses can customize features and integrate with their systems. Rapid innovation. The collaborative nature of open-source projects fosters innovation. Developers worldwide work to improve features and fix bugs. They also ensure compatibility with new tech. It fosters better practices and quicker adoption of trends like AI and 5G. Challenges of open-source IoT platforms. Steep learning curve. Open-source platforms are flexible, but they often require a deep understanding of the underlying technologies. Organizations without skilled tech teams may struggle to use and maintain these solutions. Security concerns. Open-source platforms are not less secure than proprietary ones, but their openness can be a double-edged sword. Publicly available source code may attract malicious actors looking for vulnerabilities. Ensuring robust security measures is essential. Lack of dedicated support. Unlike proprietary platforms with dedicated support, open-source ones rely on community help. The community is often helpful, but it may not always provide timely or tailored solutions for critical issues. Conclusion. In conclusion, open-source IoT platforms are a strong alternative to proprietary ones. They combine flexibility, cost savings, and a vibrant, community-driven ecosystem. However, they pose challenges.